Students, in matrices, we already come across different types of operations like scalar addition, scalar multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then of course, the last class we have seen about transpose. Now the next topic is about matrix multiplication. How this will work out? How it should be done. The first thing you have to remember is whether we can multiply or not, whether we are able to multiply two matrices or not. So when it is possible, when you can multiply two matrices, So first thing is, if you want to multiply two matrices A and B, say if A is of order m cross n, that means to say that there are m rows, n columns, then the matrix B should start with n rows. So you should have n rows and any number of columns. This is the first thing you have to find out. If this is the case, you can multiply the two matrices and get the product AB. So you can multiply in this case and get the product AB. So if it is of m cross n and n cross p, observe here. So number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So whatever n here, whatever value here, same value should be there. Where m and p are integers, positive integers. So if n equal to 2, here also you should have 2 only. This should be 2. So if you have 3 by 2, you can start with 2 by 2. Okay? Suppose if you have A is 3 by 2 order, B should start with 2. It can be anything later, maybe 2 by 3, 2 by 4, like this, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 1. What are possibilities are possible? You can have. Of course, we will not give very big values. Now, AB, matrix multiplication AB. So this is possible because both are this is tallying. Number of rows in the second matrix we calculate here will be equal to number of columns of the first matrix. Number of rows, this stands for row number, this stands for column number. So row number, column number. So number of rows in the second matrix will be equal to number of columns of the first matrix. Then you can multiply. And if you multiply this example, so here if you multiply n cross n, n cross p, so it is possible, then you can get the result as n cross p matrix. Multiplication will give you matrix of the order m cross p. Important. So here if you have 3 cross 2, 2 cross 3, then it is possible to multiply, and the result is what? Result is of order 3 by 3. Result is of order 3 by 3. Important concept this is. One more point here. If AB is there, product AB, A into B, then AB need not be equal to BA. Important, it is not commutative. It is not commutative. AB need not be equal to BA. And further important, if AB is defined, BA need not be defined. If AB is defined, BA need not be defined. I will give an example. So in this case, AB is defined 3 cross 2, 2 cross 3. What about BA? So if B is 2 cross 3, A is 3 cross 2, okay, that's okay, it's defined again. Now here what will happen? It is defined, you get 2 cross 2. It's okay. In some cases, I will give one more example. Say if A equal to 2 by 3, A is 2 by 3, 3 by 4. B is 3 by 4. A is 2 by 3, B is 3 by 4. What is AB? AB is defined. Product AB is defined and it is of order 2 cross 4. It is of order 2 cross 4. What about BA? Whether BA is defined or not? We'll check now. Whether BA is defined or not. What is the order of B? B is 3 cross 4. What is the order of A? A is 2 cross 3. Now observe, these two are not equal. One is 4, one is 2. So this is not possible. Multiplication is not allowed. That's what I am telling. If AB is defined, AB need not be equal to B. That why I will give some examples later. We will work out some problems. But important part is it may not be defined itself. If it is defined, then only you can multiply. Important point. If it is defined, then go for multiplication. Otherwise, don't go for multiplication. Important. So in this example, if A is 3 cross 3, B is 3 cross 4, AB is 2 cross 4. So it is not defined. It is not defined. Okay. Because 3 cross 4 into 2 cross 3, it's not possible. 4 and 2, they should be equal always. And see, 3 and 3 here, defined. Or this example, 2 and 2, defined. This is not defined. In the sense, you can't multiply. In the sense, you can't have multiplication of two matrices. So, AB need not be equal to BA. It is not commutative. And further, there are many properties. But it is associative. A into BC. If you have one more matrix, it is AB into C. It is associative. It is distributive. It is distributive. A into B plus C is AB plus AC. So it is distributive. This is distributive property. What is this property? This is associative property. Associative property. So this is associative. It is distributive. Then one more thing is A into I equal to I into A equal to A. What is I here? Capital I stands for identity matrix. Capital I stands for identity matrix. So if you multiply any matrix by identity matrix of the same order, of the required order, if it is multiplicable, then if it is multiplicable, if it is defined, A into I equal to A equal to A, A into I equal to I equal to A, where I is called identity matrix under multiplication. Where I is called identity matrix under identity matrix under multiplication. I is called identity matrix under multiplication. So this is the properties. Some properties you will remember and we will apply also later. We will apply this properties later. So this is about multiplication. Now we will work out some problems. Some more point is more about you already seen transpose. One more point I will give you here. AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. AB whole transpose. So multiply this two first. Take its transpose. That is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So again one more point you have to remember. One more property. AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, with this we will work out some problems on matrix multiplication to see how to multiply. So I will start with giving some problems. I will solve it here. So you should be able to understand. Matrix multiplication is one of the important topic here, which is required later also for solving many problems. So important concept of matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is important. So let us work out some problems on matrix multiplication. Problems. First one. So problems here. First one, if A equal to, matrix A equal to 3 1 2 4, 3 1 2 4, B equal to, and B equal to minus 1 3, find AB, product AB. So if A equal to 3 1 2 4, B equal to minus 1 3, find AB. So what is the answer? Listen carefully. So how multiplication is done? Multiplication is done like this. So take the row first. Take say first row, multiply it with this column. Only one column here. You will see two column matrices or three column matrices. So let me complete this. So again, multiplication possible. First of all, A is this one, A B is this, B is this one. This is of order 2 plus 2. Check first always. What's the order? What is the order of this? This is 2 plus 1. So here 2, here also 2. So number of rows here equal to number of columns here. So multiplication is possible. It's okay. So what is the resultant matrix? Resultant matrix is this one. That is of order 2 plus 1. See how it goes. So whether multiplication is possible? If possible, what is the resultant order? Okay, now multiply. 3 cross 3, 1 is there, this one. So first row with the first column. Only one column is there. So let us do the multiplication. AB equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Remember. So this has how many columns? Only one column. Only one element. 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3. This is how multiplication is done. Next, second row now. Because only one column. This is one column. Now second row, 2 rows. 2 rows, 1 column. Resultant matrix. So 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 3. 2 into the second row you have to consider. Once first row is over, consider the second row. 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 3. This you know, addition, simplification, multiplication. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 3, 0. Next one, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 into 3, 12. So 12 minus 10. So 12 minus 10 means 10 plus 10. So 12 minus 2 is plus 10. This is how multiplication is done. Observe this result is of order 2 rows, 1 column. 2 plus 1. That's what we expect. So this is the first problem. Simple one. So the next one we will see again. Some more. If A equal to 1 to 0 minus 3, A equal to 1 to 0 minus 3. Find A square. Find A square. Next problem is like this. Find A square. So what is A order? A order is given 1 to 0 minus 3. Find A square. Now, what is A square first of all? So A square is nothing but, as far as matrix multiplication is concerned, A square is nothing but A into A. A into A. So what is A square? So don't simply write the answer as square of 1, 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 0 is 0. Square of minus 3 is 9. This is A square. Is it A square? A square is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0, minus 3 whole square is 9. This is not A square. Students, don't make the mistake. A square is not taking the square of the elements. A square is not taking square of the elements. It's different. By taking square of the elements, you won't get. So don't make this mistake. A square means don't square the elements. So I am repeating, don't square the element. So what is A square? A square is nothing but A into A. So we multiply the matrix again. Whatever given matrix, multiply it with itself. That is A square. Now apply the rule. A is 2 cross 2. So the second one also is 2 cross 2. Both are same no. This is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 2. What result we expect? 2 cross 2 only. Let us complete this. So 1, 2, 0 minus 3. This is A into A again. 1, 2, 0 minus 3. Now we will have a better understanding of multiplication. Let us check how multiplication is done. Equal to. Students observe. Take the first row. Always start with the first row. This is the first row. Multiply with the first column. Take the first row. Multiply with the first column. So how multiplication is done? First element with the first element. So 1 into 1 plus next 2 into 0. 2 into 0. Okay, 2 into 0. This is one element, first element of the product. First element of the product. Next, after this is over, first row, first column over. Next one is first row, second column. First row, second column. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. Only 2 by 2 matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. Now first row with multiplied with first column, first row multiplied with the second column. Okay, corresponding elements are multiplied and added. It's like this. So what is the next step? Take the second row now, first row over. Take the second row, first one is multiply with the first column. So 0 into 1. Plus minus 3 into 0. The first element 0 into 1 corresponding element. Minus 3 into 0. Like this you have to consider. Once this is done, what is the next step? Take the second row, second column. Second row, second column. So 0 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 3. Now simplify. So this comes to 1 plus 0. So 1. Second one 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2, so minus 4. Next one 0 into 1 is 0. This is 0. Next 0 into 2 is 0. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. This is the required matrix product of AB. It is of 2 plus 2. So carefully observe how multiplication is done. I am repeating here. Take the first row, multiply the first column. That is the first thing. So how to do it? How to achieve it? I mean, you have to take the first element with the first element of this column. Next, second element of this row is the second element of this column. So first row into first column. Complete it. Then this added. This multiply plus this. Next one. First row into second column. See observe. First row into second column I am considering. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3. First row into first column, next first row into second column. So complete with the first row. First row with the first column. First row with second column, like this. Once the columns are completed, go to the next row. Go to the next row. So what is the next one? First second row. Second row into first column. 0 into 1. See, minus 3 into 0 here. So that is over. First column is over. Next second row is second row. So 0 into 2. Minus 3 into minus 3. So will get 1 minus 4, 0, 9. It is of the order, the simplification, calculator simplification. I mean, you know, calculator you can use, simplify. So 1 plus 1 into 2 into 0, of course, simple calculator. Like this, like this. So 1, this is minus 4, and the other one is 0. Last one is plus 9. Okay, let us see the next one. Third problem. This is problem 3 now. Problem 3. Previous one was 2. If A equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Zero minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 1, minus 3, 3, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3. B equal to, another matrix B equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Find A, find B. A equal to 3, 1, 2, 0 minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, minus 3, B equal to 2 minus 1, 3. Find AB. So first whether we will check whether multiplication is possible or not. Whether it will be possible, I mean, we will take again. So this is the order, 3 cross 3. What is this order? 3 rows, 3 columns. This is 3 rows, 1 column. 3 rows, 1 column. So multiplication is possible because both are 3 here. Both are 3 here. Multiplication is possible. Equal. What is the resultant? 3 cross 1. So we should get a matrix of 3 cross 1. That is 3 rows, 1 column. Let's remember that. What output you have to get. Otherwise, it is possible that you can make mistake. Avoid it. Find out what is the resultant matrix you want always. Okay. So what is the answer? So AB equal to, let me do it, 3, 1, 2, 0 minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1 minus 3, into 2 minus 1, 3, equal to, we'll see how it works out. First row into first column, only 1 column is there. So, but how the multiplication? 3 into 2, plus, whatever it is plus, 1 into minus 1, next element into next element, 1 into minus 1, plus, next 2 into 2 into 2. This is only one element. So I told you, result is of order 3 cross 1. So only one element will be there, only one column. In the sense, one column only. Next, second row you consider. 0 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. 0 into 2 minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. Next, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So second row over, second only one column. Last one, minus 4 into, last row, third row, minus into this column. Minus 4 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3. right here. So just multiplication. 3 into 2 6. This is 6 plus minus 1 plus 6. 12 minus 1 11. Take it. 11. First one is 11. The second one 0 minus and minus plus 1 1 plus 6 7. Next one minus 8 plus minus 9 minus 9 plus minus 9 minus 18. Do the calculation carefully. You need to know the method. You can make mistake. Do it carefully. Calculation part. So this is how it is done. It is of course of order 3 cross 4. I am just writing this order. Order will not be given in the exam. I am just giving the order 3 cross 1. So how the multiplication is done? So first row, only one column. And one more important point I want to tell you is whenever you have minus value, negative values, negative numbers, better give within brackets. Otherwise it will be have confusion, addition or multiplication or subtraction like that. So better give minus values inside the bracket like this. So 3 this first row into first column, that is what is done. 3 into 2, 1 into minus 1, 2 into 3. Next 0 into 2, minus 1 into minus 1, 2 into 3. Next minus 4 into 2, 1 into minus 1, last minus 3 into 3. So then we simply add. Next one, if A equal to 142, one more I will complete this session. If A equal to 142, B equal to 134, B equal to 134, B equal to 134. Find A equal to 142, B equal to 134. Find A. Again let us check what is the order. So this is 3 cross 1 order. What about this? This is 1 cross 3 order. 1 cross 3 column. So multiplication possible because equal. What is the result? 3 cross 3. The result should be 3 cross 3. Let's see how we do it. As I told you, first check whether multiplication is possible. If possible, then what is the resultant order? Resultant order of the matrix. So here this is 3 cross 1, this is 1 cross 3. Multiplication is possible because 1 is here, here also 1. So 3 cross 3 is the total. Let us do it. Here is 142. Here is 134. 134. So product. First row is one only one element. 1 into 1. First row into first column. First row, first column. First row, first column. So this column. Next first row, no other element to add. Next first row into second column. This is second column. 1 into 3. Next first row into third column. First row into first column. First row into second column. First row into third column. Same. So here next one. Second row. Next go to the second row. So 4 into 1. First row, first column. Sorry. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. 4 into 3. Next similar. 4 into 4. Last one now. So third row will take 2 only. So 2 into 1. Next 2 into 3. 2 into 4. So simplify and get the result. So 1 into 1, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. 4 into 1, 4 into 3, 4 into 4. 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So get the result. The matrix is 1 3 4. First 1 3. 4. Next 4, 12, 16. Next 2, 6, 8. So it is of order 3 cross 3. 1, 3, 4. Then 4, 12, 16, 2, 6, 8. This is how you can do multiplication. So go through this important topic as I already told you. It is required later also. So work out the problem, go through it again. Work out some more problems from the textbook. If you have the textbook, please you will do this first. Complete it. We will work out some more problems in the next session.